Before buying a garage floor containment mat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, DryMate Premium Maintenance Mat. The DryMate Premium Maintenance Mat caught my eye right away. It's priced at $39.99, and honestly, the fact that it's a bestseller with over 7,200 reviews says a lot. If you're looking for something that really keeps your garage clean and dry, this is worth a serious look. What makes this mat special is its absorbent material that traps spills and protects your garage floor. It can soak up motor oil, brake fluid, and other liquids without letting them seep through. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of cleaning up after messy projects or car maintenance, this mat will save you from those headaches. The waterproof backing keeps everything contained, and the slip-resistant feature ensures it stays put while you're working. It's made from recycled materials too, which is a nice touch for eco-conscious buyers. Now, some people complained about it being a bit small for larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing regular maintenance on a car or a compact SUV, the size is actually quite manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and eco-friendly option to keep your garage clean. But skip this one if you have a larger truck or SUV that needs more coverage. For the price, this mat offers fantastic value for money. Alright, if the DryMate size concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Welkin Containment Mat 79x16. The Welkin Containment Mat is another interesting option that's priced at $104.99. This one really caught my attention because of its larger size and heavy-duty construction. If you need a mat that can handle snow, rain, and mud without a fuss, this is a solid choice. What really stands out about this mat is its high elastic sponge column that forms a containment edge. This prevents any liquids or debris from spilling over, which is a real lifesaver if you live in an area with harsh weather. The heavy-duty PVC fabric also adds durability, and it's designed to reduce noise so you won't have to deal with annoying sounds while parking. Plus, it's easy to clean with a squeegee, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your garage space. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the deal, if you have a spacious garage and plan to use it regularly, the size won't bother you. But if you have limited storage, it might be a bit cumbersome. This is perfect for you if you want robust protection for your garage floor from the elements. But skip this one if you need something more compact or easier to store. For its features, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you like the size but want something even bigger, hang tight for the next product. Product number 3, Welkin Containment Mat 86x20. Next up is another Welkin product, but this one is larger at 86x20 and priced at $138.69. Right off the bat, if you have a bigger vehicle or just want more coverage, this one is worth considering. This mat shares the same high elastic sponge column containment edge, so it prevents any spills from leaking out. The heavy-duty PVC fabric is also there to ensure you have a non-slip surface. This means you can park confidently without worrying about your wheels slipping. Plus, it comes with a floor squeegee for easy cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. It's designed to dry quickly too, which is important if you live in a rainy area. But I did see some reviews mentioning that it can be a bit pricey compared to smaller mats. Here's my take, yes, it's more expensive, but if you need the extra coverage and durability, it's definitely worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you have larger vehicles or need maximum coverage in your garage. But skip this if you're looking for something compact. For the features it offers, the value is solid. Now, if you're really looking for something heavy-duty, you'll want to hear about this next one. Product number 4, Welkin Containment Mat 79x18. This next Welkin Containment Mat is a bit different in size at 79x18 and priced at $134.99. It's perfect if you need something slightly bigger than the first one we talked about, but not as large as the previous model. This mat also carries the same easy cleaning capabilities, so you don't have to dread post-project cleanup. With multiple size options available, you can find one that fits your garage perfectly. One downside I noticed was that some users felt it didn't contain larger spills as effectively as expected. Here's the thing. If you're mainly dealing with small to medium spills, it performs like a champ, but for larger volumes, you might want to consider the larger options. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance between size and price without sacrificing quality. But skip this if you deal with a lot of big spills. It's a solid investment for regular maintenance needs. Now, if you want something really heavy-duty, check out our last product. Product number 5, Auto FloorGuard Heavy-Duty Garage Containment Floor Mat. Finally, we have the Auto FloorGuard Heavy-Duty Garage Containment Floor Mat, which is 86x20 and priced at $180.96. This one is built for those who need serious protection for larger vehicles like SUVs or trucks. What makes this mat stand out is its durable construction that can handle heavy loads without compromising on performance. It's designed specifically for those who want their garage protected from all types of spills and messes. The material is tough and built to last, which means you won't be replacing it anytime soon. However, I did see some complaints about the price being higher than other mats. Honestly, if you have a large vehicle or a busy garage, the investment in a high-quality mat like this can save you money in the long run by protecting your floor. This is perfect for you if you have larger vehicles or need a heavy-duty solution for your garage. But skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. In conclusion, all 5 mats have their strengths, from the eco-friendly options to the heavy-duty solutions. Depending on your needs, there's definitely one here that will work for you. To wrap it up, we had the DryMate Premium Maintenance Mat for those looking for absorbent materials, the Welkin Containment Mat options for different sizes and versatility, and then the Auto FloorGuard for heavy-duty needs. Each has its pros and cons, so choose based on what fits your garage best.